Welcome to our channel. Learn with Funways always. For calm learning and strong foundations.
In Level 0, Lesson 1, we practice the horizontal line. A horizontal line moves from left to right. Watch carefully as the line moves smoothly from left to right. Pause and practice slowly. Slow and steady practice makes learning easy. More calm learning videos are coming on our channel. Learn with Funways always. For calm learning and strong foundations.